This video will show you how to look at diffraction images in the ADXV software on PROXIMA-1 Beamline. To start ADXV, you have to type the ADXV run command in an XFCE4 terminal. ADXV can run in two different ways. One that allows you to follow in live mode the diffraction during the characterization. To start this one, type ADXV_follow. The other one would require to manually load the images. For this one, type ADXV. And once ADXV is launched in a terminal window, three windows will open: the control window, the main window, and the load window. In the ADXV load window, in the pattern field, check that *** is present. If not, correct it. In the directory field, check that you are in the proper folder. If not, go back by single-clicking the // symbol until accessing the home directory. Then go to Data 4, PROXIMA-1 Soleil, the current run number, the date, and your project folder. Images are in the raw data directory. To open the H5 files, first double-click on the corresponding master H5 file to set the proper resolution rings on the main ADXV window. Then single-click on the image H5 file and click Load, or double-click on the H5 file you want to open. On the ADXV control window, zoom in to 100%. To move into the image, click on the scroll wheel and maintain it to move across the image. One H5 file is a stack of 100 images. Change the slab number to visualize a single specific image within the stack, and slabs to merge n images of the stack to better see diffraction spots. For example, for slab equals 25 and slabs equals 10, ADXV main window will display the merge images 25 to 35 from the stack.